Hello, my beautiful people. So today I'm starting off with a Space Defined Bright Eye Lift Gel, and it's called 111 Skin Harley Saint London. Next, I will be using Farce Sally, the Rose Gold Elixir. I will be rubbing it and patting it into my face for the base for my foundation. For foundation, I will be using Revlon Color Stay Whipped in the color Natural Tan, number 370. To blend that in, I will be using a disposable sponge. For concealer, I will be using Boo Boo Cover Up in the color Light. For my eyes, I will be taking and putting it on my chin and on my forehead. Then after that, I will go back in with the same sponge I used to blend in my foundation and just pat until everything is blended seamlessly. After I'm done blending in, I go back and pat in the concealer. Then I pack on MAC's Patrick Star's setting powder under my eyes, chin, and forehead wherever I put that concealer on. For the eyeshadow palette, I will be using Amazonian's Clay Matte Palette Tartlet. For the shadow I will be using on my crease line, it is called Wanderer. Then on my lid, I will be taking NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color dark brown, number 602, as a base for my eyeshadow. Going back into the palette, I will be taking the color Fashionista and patting it on my lid over that dark brown jumbo eyeliner pencil. Moving on with the transition color, I'm going in with the color Dreamer over that lid, blending back and forth. The key is to blend, 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 and blend some more. Going back on that crease, I am taking the color Power Player and just lighten up that dark color we used earlier. For eyebrows, I brushed my hairs upwards. Now I'm using a Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color medium brown. After that, I am going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in medium brown. Next, I take in a clear brow gel, any one that you like, your preference. I go over my brows with it. Next, I'm going in with Sheer Cover Duo Concealer in light medium, cleaning up the lines and just going for a much clean cut look for the eyebrows. Once I am finished, I go back with a concealer foundation double-sided brush and just go over that line, thickening it, sorry, and then blending away. Going back in with the palette, I am taking the color Free Spirit and placing it on top of my brow bone. Next, we'll be going back in with our transition color Dreamer and going back and forth, blending in the color to our crease. For tight lining and my waterline, I went in with Rimmel London Extravagant Waterproof Eye Definer in the number 26. For the bottom lash eyeshadow, I went in with Bombshell and Best Friend and blended everything together. As I jump into the next scene, I'm explaining that I will be doing my eyeliner and false lashes off camera due to the length of the video. This video is a little lengthy, so to shorten it, we will be right back in literally a second. Alright guys, so for eyeliner real quick, I use e.l.f. Jet Black Liquid Eyeliner. For top lashes, I use Kiss in number 10. And for the bottom, Double Individuals by Ardell. For the cream contour, I use the palette Kat Von D Contour Shade and Light palette in the color Chestnut. I went over the forehead, chin, cheekbone, and nose area. To set in that cream contour, I went in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette in the powder form with the color Succubus. Next, I dusted off that translucent powder we had before. Next, I'm going in with a pinky mauve blush color. You can use any blush you have lying around. That should do the trick. Next, I'm going in with one of my favorite highlighters, the Mary Lou Manizer, aka the Luminizer. I am going in a C motion, like over the top of the cheekbone and above the brow bone. And if you see carefully, you're going in like a backwards letter C. Then after that, I'll be going in with a smaller brush on my nose, brow bones, the Cupid's bow, and my inner tear ducts. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. And to tie everything together, I went ahead and bought myself an 84 inches long hair extension from my local beauty supply store. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.